ये व्लॉग बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है. Mountains, greenery, flowers, so much fun. Waterfall, hanging garden, very beautiful place. Also have train. बहुत मजा आने वाला है आज के व्लॉग में. Top of the mountain you can see day and night view. We had a great experience in hanging garden. Weekend night spent day in Kalba. I bought a cat. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome to another new interesting vlog. जो आज मैं आपको लेके जा रहा हूँ उधर बहुत मजा आने वाला है. Today we are going hanging garden from Sharjah to Kalba. और हम तैयारी होके हम गाड़ी में आए और फिर जा रहे हैं और अभी हम गाड़ी में बैठ रहे हैं और आईपैड में गेम्स खेल रहे हैं. This is not just a roads. There have so many mountains. You can see this green desert. Mountains you can see here. It looks simple in video but in live it's so much nice view, beautiful. We like our journey and we like long drive, and it was so far from Dubai, Sharjah to Kalba, and now we are going, you can see the mountains, and we are not going alone. Our other family members in coming in their car, and it was weekend and we planned to go there, and you can see this Dubai flag drawing in the mountain and everybody is following us. Now we reached to our location is hanging garden. It's very nice and the view is very good, and here is hanging garden. You can see the mountains. And then we park our car and then we take the ticket and then we go inside and then we do activities. There is playground. We can play too much things. And now here we park our car and make video, picture, memories, and then we go to take the ticket and there you see the mountain view. And now we will go, now here is the ticket and now we take the ticket and we will go inside. And we reach here first and my other family members losers. And in one frame I can see greenery, mountain, restaurant, waterfall. This place is too much good, and I'm playing with Isha, you can see, and you can see the full view, mountain, greenery, flowers. And here is very pleasant weather, blowing air. It's very good place here to come to explore. If we want to come here again, so we will come, because here is so much good experience. I hope you like this vlog. I'm also captured this video memories, and now we are off from the playground, and now we are going to the train for take a ride. And this train takes us from the round from this whole hanging garden, and we can see the view from the hanging garden. And here I'm giving my ticket, and I'm sitting in my seat, and everybody sitting in the train. And when the train is full, the train goes for a ride. You can see the waterfall. It's so nice. And here I'm also enjoying my snacks in the train, and still waiting for my family members. And you can saw the very beautiful view from here. And now the train is going, and I'm very enjoying in the train. The waterfall, the view, the mountains, greeneries. and it's gonna be evening and lights on. You can see now it's more beautiful. And my family members still no come, and we are still enjoying. You can see different mountain. This is a secret mountain. When the all light will be off and the mountain will be green color, you can see when it will be the night. Okay, and you can see now there is a green mountain. And now it's night. You can see the lights and the train and the green mountain that I said you first. And you can see the whole view. And now it's night and we are going. You can see the evening waterfall view, and now the night waterfall view. The lights, and they put lights in the waterfall, and it looks more beautiful than the evening time. And now we are going to the top of the mountain, and we like step so much to go to the top, and we get sweat and we was tired. My leg wasn't moving, and you can see the night view. And we was tired, but we got the very good view from the top, and you can see the train. And when we was top of the mountains, everybody reached. What a glitch! And you can see the very beautiful waterfall. And now we are waiting for everybody to come to the top. And this vlog is gonna be very joyful. And we was not here, and we go also more locations. And of the top of the mountain there is only a restaurant, but not something else. And you can see the full hanging garden view, the road, the train, the buildings, lights. And now here everybody reached, and here we got the lift, and we are going down from the top of the mountains. And then we reach down, we everybody play together. And here is the train going, and you can see the train, the view, the waterfall, lights. And here I'm playing with my cousins. Everybody reached. Bye bye hanging garden. We are from the hanging garden, and it was great experience. Thank you. And now we was very hungry, and we said to my Baba, let's go for eat food. And we reached here, and we are eating food, Arabic food, mandi. We enjoyed our food so much because we was very hungry. And then we decided to go to the beach, Kalba beach, and we enjoy here too much. And we also play my favorite sport. We play here cricket, everybody one by one. We spent in beach so much time because it was very good weather. and we off cricket beach, and now we are way to our home, and we stay to the cafe because everybody was tired and take a tea break. And here we are playing games, and here everybody enjoy their fries and tea. And here is the cat, she's eating fries. We play with this cat, and this cat is very beautiful. This cat is so soft, and we spend the time here too much. Hope you guys all enjoying my vlogs. Keep watching my vlogs, also share with your friends. Subscribe my channel Zuhairi Vlogs. Press bell icon button and also like my video. And guys, this is Sharjah's Grand Mosque. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.